Good morning, every trader. I am Ahmed Fuad with you. This is my data. This is my Telegram channel where I put my signals first. I hope you join it. I will try now to analyze my signals and present to you the weekly forex analysis for the week beginning from October 9th to October 13, 2017. I hope you join my Telegram channel to catch my signals early. Early. I put it already 3 hours ago. And here also all my data, my website, my YouTube channel, my Facebook, but the most important link is my Telegram channel. Let's start. Here the dollar index, you see, very negative shooting star. Why? The price hit a trend coming from March 9 2017 and May 11. The price last Friday hit this trend and closed very negative. It couldn't close above it and reversed from it to be very negative shooting star. So the dollar to sell, only sell the dollar, but sell against what? That what we will discover in this video. This is the euro index. You see it hit this trend coming from September 7 and September 22. Last Friday it hit the trend and couldn't close above it. So the euro will move down this trend and we will sell the euro, but against what? We will sell the dollar and we will sell the euro, but against other currencies. Let's see. Here is the pound index. You see this is a weekly candle. It touched weekly Tanakan and return from it touching it. You see this is a limousine bullish candle. Now we at 50% level of this body, so the market should respect this limousine bullish candle, and I predict that the pound will go up this week, but against what? We will see. We said before that the dollar shooting star and the euro also for sell, so we will buy the pound against the dollar and we will sell EUR GBP. Let's see why. This is the pound against dollar, which I give a signal to buy. Why? Let's see. Besides, we analyze the dollar index and the pound index. When it comes to this chart exactly, we will find also that we have another indicator showing us to buy GBP USD, which is the Fibonacci fan. We'll draw the Fibonacci fan on the weekly time frame coming from this week to this. This is October 2nd, 2016. Remember this date. The surprising down and this top last September 17. You see the market in the last week, this bearish candle respect 38.2% of this Fibonacci fan. So I predict that the GBP/USD will go up this week. I also said we will sell EUR GBP. Why? Let's draw these trends coming from this candle. You see this trend coming from June 9th and July 14. Last Friday the price couldn't close above this trend, so the market respects this trend and I put a signal to sell EUR GBP. This is the index of the New Zealand dollar. This is a monthly time frame. Let's draw a trend coming from this candle. This is September 2015 and this is September 2017. Now October touching this trend. So we will see, will the market respect this trend and the Indonesian dollar will go up at least this week for few correction. So I buy NZD, but against what? Let's see. I put a signal to buy NZD against USD, but why? Let's draw this trend coming from July 11. You see? And May 28. Last Friday, the price touched this trend, but close above it. So the market respects this trend. I put a signal to buy NZD USD. Let's move to the another buy. I put a signal also to buy NZD GBY. Why? Let's draw this trend on weekly time frame. You see this trend coming from June 19 and April 9th, and the market last Friday touched this uptrend. Let's see, will the market this week go up this trend or what? I put a signal also to sell EUR NZD. Why? This is my analysis for it. Let's draw this trend. You see this trend coming from October last year and May this year, 14 May. Last Friday the price touched this trend but couldn't close above it. So I got a signal to sell EUR in ZD. Let's see, will the market respect this trend or what? Finally, for NZD, I put a signal to buy NZD against CAD. Why? You see, this is the Ishimoku cloud. The price tried to break it first at August 2015 but couldn't, and at April 2016, May 2016, finally September 2017. So I put this is Ishimoku cloud. The price tried to break it several times but it failed. So I put a signal to buy NZD CAD. I put a signal also to buy AUD USD. Why? You see, this is the weekly time frame. The price was closed last week from Kijin on weekly time frame but reverse up. Also in monthly time frame the price touched the Tanakan. This is very strong indicator, the Tanakan of the Ishimoku cloud, Ishimoku Kenko Hayu system. Okay, and the return reverse up. That's not only. Let's move to the 4 hours time frame and draw our Fibonacci fan from this bottom to the last top. Fibonacci fan from June 2nd to this top. You see, last Friday, here are 3 4-hour candle touching. This is the 61.8% level of the Fibonacci fan and respecting it. So I put a signal to buy AUD USD, and we will buy AUD against other currencies. Like, let's buy AUD GBY. Why? Let's draw this trend. You see this trend coming from 6th June and 29 of August. last Friday the price hit this trend, so I predict that AUD GBY will respect this upper trend and will go up next days. So buy AUD GBY. I put a signal also to sell EUR AUD. Why? Let's draw this trend coming from this top. You see, last week candle couldn't break this trend, this weekly trend. You see, coming from 5th of 28th of May 2017 and touched also by September 17 and September 24. The last week candle couldn't break this weekly trend, so I put a signal to sell EUR AUD, and let's see the market respect for this trend. I will also buy AUD CHF. Why? You see this trend coming from June 2nd and October 2nd, touched at October 6th, and the market couldn't close below it, so I predict AUD CHF to go up next days. I also put signal to buy AUD CAD. Let's see. This is a weekly time frame. We are now in a very strong support historical area on the weekly time frame. You see, for the last 4 weeks, the price couldn't break this support zone, couldn't close below this. And historically, we will see this week, July 9th, and also the price was around this level for 5 weeks, and also touched it in 2016 in July 17, and also in 2016 February 7th, and in 2015 in August 2nd. This is very strong support area, and I put a signal to buy AUD CAD, and let's see that AUD CAD will go up next weeks. Finally, I gave order to buy XAUD USD. Why? Let's draw Fibonacci retracements. You see, this is the golden area at 1263. The price touched it last Friday, go below it, but after that reverse, respecting this level. The market respects this level, reversed from it, and give us very bullish close, very bullish candle. So we respect because the market respects this level very much. I predict that XAUD USD will go up, and we will see a higher top from this, above this, a higher top above this. I hope you take profit. I give you about 13 signal or 14 on my Telegram channel. Don't forget to join it to win. Goodbye.